In today's video, I wanted to share 5 small changes that you can make to enhance the look of your entryway, whether you are trying to refresh it or you want to give it a wow factor. These 5 changes will help elevate the look of your room. And these changes do not require a renovation or a big budget to implement. Let's go ahead and get right on into it. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tresha. I am your interior design strategist and coach, and I'm here to share ways you can transform your space so that you can have a beautiful space that feels just like you. Okay, so the first one is a statement mirror, or you can have a cluster of mirrors. Something, maybe you have collected a lot of mirrors over time. You've gone to an antique store and you have a collection. You could absolutely put a collection of mirrors on the wall that will elevate the look of the space. Instead, you could add a large mirror to the space to bring in more light as well as make the space feel much larger. Being in the entryway will bring in additional light and make it feel larger than what it is. And also it's functional because you can check yourself out when you're coming in and out of the home. Try adding mirrors that have a little bit of detail to it. Please don't just get any generic mirror. I'm talking about something that is a statement. Like when people come into your space, even if you come into the space, you notice this mirror. Regardless of your style, make sure the mirror has some type of personality to it, some type of detail, whether it's an arch, whether it has like round wood balls on the side. There are so many different options out there to consider when you are looking for a statement mirror. The second change is your lighting. You could add additional lighting to your space. Say you have a console table, you have a nice decor piece, a bowl, something interesting on the console table. You could add 2, like buffet style lamps on the side of it, or you could incorporate a pendant that hangs down when you come in. You do have to take in consideration the height of your ceiling, how wide the door opens, whether it will hit the pendant. So be careful of how low the pendant is. You probably want to go with a semi-flush or a flush light fixture. It just depends on your ceiling height as well as, the distance between the top of the door and the ceiling. So just make sure you measure that space before you decide on adding additional lighting. You want to make sure you have that clearance there. Adding additional lighting such as a pendant or kind of like buffet table lamp to your console table, or even a floor lamp if you have a chair in the entryway where people could sit down, truly enhances the look of the space. It gives it more personality, and it does depend on what type of lighting you choose. So make sure it's something that is like a wow factor. There are so many options out there to consider, so make sure you are thinking about your overall vibe for the space to ensure that you are choosing pieces that will elevate the look of the space. So the third change that you can make is adding a rug. It could be a runner if you have a narrow entryway, or it could be a larger area rug. It just depends on the width of your entryway. Area rugs is one of the things that you could do that will instantly elevate the look of the space, especially if you are looking to add more personality, something more bold, patterns. Say you don't want to enhance the walls just yet. You have solid painted walls. You don't really have like wallpaper or molding or anything like that. Try adding a pattern or decorative area rug, something that has a pattern that you can incorporate into the design that you're going for the entryway. If you have an entryway that goes into another room, you can use a rug to define the space. Another way to elevate the look of your entryway is by adding in greenery. Whether that is faux or real, depending on whether you have a green thumb, adding greenery gives the space life. Whether that's faux or real, that's your preference and what you decide. If you do go faux, there are some really nice indoor trees that look real. Add a bouquet or a couple of stems in a vase, or maybe an indoor tree, just to give the room some life. it just does the trick, and it makes you smile too. It just feels good with greenery in the space. I almost want to say that you need greenery to complete the space. Like if you had a checklist of everything that you need in the space, if you do not include, greenery in the space, I feel like it's not complete. And the last change that you can make, especially if you have a console table, is to add some interesting decorative art pieces or a textured vase or something that is very interesting, something that is you. Maybe you have found a couple of pieces, decor pieces from travel. Try incorporating unique pieces that add more interest to the space. I know you do not want to just have some boring items in your entryway. You want something that makes you look around and you just notice this piece and this piece that you love. I know you will like a curated, elevated entryway, and in order to do this, you have to find interesting pieces. It doesn't have to be, from a store. You can go to an antique store, you can go to a thrift store. There are so many things that are donated from people who have spent a lot of money on items that are truly unique. You could grab that and add it to your console table or whatever you have in your entryway to create a more curated space. So that could be a trinket bowl, that could be a large bowl that you have like beads, falling or cascading out of the bowl. You could have a vase, a ceramic vase, or some interesting vase that you have seen or purchased that you might already have in your space. You could have decor, whether you have made it yourself or you have purchased it. You can place them on your console table or in your entryway. These are only 5 small changes that you could make to elevate the space. I would love to hear what you have done to your entryway to enhance the look of it. Share your ideas, share your tips and tricks. I'm sure somebody will appreciate it that is trying to do the same in their space. Before you go, and if you are struggling with your entryway, I wanted to share that I created a entryway design playbook. It helps you if you don't know one thing about decorating and you need to know what to do every step of the way. This playbook will guide you through the process to creating a space that you absolutely love. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. If you would like more design tips like this, sign up for my free newsletter. I will put the link to it in the description box below. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video.